Welcome to Clinical Pilates Quick Tips. I'm Mary Thornton and today we're going to look at foot rolling. So to roll out your feet, you can use any ball that feels right for you. I've got a selection here from a tennis ball, a lacrosse ball, this is a Franklin softball and a spiky ball. So you work with whatever feels right for you. So I'm just going to start with a tennis ball because most people can get hold of a tennis ball quite easily and it's a good place to start. So you're just going to, either sitting or standing, place the ball underneath the sole of your foot and just roll the ball forwards and backwards. So you're just rolling out any surface of the foot you can feel there, any bit you can get to. Oh, I lost my ball. So just rolling wherever it feels right for you. Just rolling it out. And one of my colleagues once described this is warming up the tissues or the fascia in the sole of the foot like you'd warm up plasticine or Play-Doh that's been sitting around for a while and it gets hard and unmalleable, and so if you rub it in your hand you create that sense of warmth within the Play-Doh and then it becomes more malleable. So think of your feet a bit like Play-Doh, and they were stiff and immobile to begin with, that tissues or the skin and the fascia at the bottom of the soles of the feet was stiff. Rolling it out creates heat around these tissues but also mobilises the little joints of the feet and mobilises the tissues around the soles of the feet. So you just do that for sort of about a minute and then swap to the other side. But before you swap, straight away, if you just have an awareness of what's going on with your foot, you'll notice that the foot you've just rolled out feels completely different to the other foot. You can feel that sense of space within the foot. And then when you go to the other foot, often it feels very sort of tense in comparison to the one you've just rolled out. So say you could do this in sitting or standing, so most people can do this. And you roll out whatever ball feels right for you. For roughly about sort of 30 seconds to a minute. You don't lose the ball. You start off relatively slow and then you can get slightly faster with the movement after a while. And then just notice how both the feet feel together. So that was rolling the feet out, so just taking any ball that you've got around the house or maybe just buying a cheap tennis ball and start with that and see how that feels, rolling the sole of the foot out and releasing the tissues and the bones of the soles of the feet. And about 30 seconds to a minute on each side. If you need to, repeat it again one more time. So see how you get on with that and let me know, and I'll hopefully see you again soon.